What kind of documentation or records does someone need to keep to claim for Patent Box?
This is one of the most important questions, really. Quality of records is the most important element of claiming Patent Box tax relief. Now, I mentioned earlier that the calculation behind Patent Box tax relief is very complicated. It gets exponentially more complicated if the quality of your business's records are not good, because we are trying to effectively divide your revenue streams and your profit streams based upon what it is you're selling and whether or not it's born of patented IP. If your record keeping is poor, that is exceptionally difficult to do. And the fees incurred for our doing so and the time spent on your part as the directors of the business, whether or not you have an internal finance function, can be prohibitive to wanting to claim the relief. You know, there's a significant amount of time investment required to tidy up records, the event that the quality of those records is poor. One of the things that we look for and look to advise our clients to do, if they haven't already, is to adopt a cloud software solution. Now, the vast majority of companies nowadays do operate a cloud software solution, be that Xero, which is my preference, be that Sage, be that QuickBooks, be that, there's a whole array of them, right? Patent Box relief with manual records is exceptionally difficult unless you are an exceptional manual record keeper, of which there are not that many these days because of the advent of cloud software. That's something to bear in mind. A4G can obviously support with the transition to cloud software if needed. It's one of our specialist areas. We have a number of team members internally who specialize in that area. And then also in optimizing your records, specifically with reference to claiming Patent Box relief, incorporating things like tracking categories to enable the streaming of your income and expenditure, enabling analytics to work out what proportion of your revenue is born of your patented IP. We can also advise on things like efficient marketing spending. So if you want to boost sales of your patented IP because it effectively incurs a lower rate of tax, we can definitely advise on comparative analysis for marketing costs, marketing spends, looking at best ROI on those sorts of things. Also on marketing itself, we can obviously advise on that as well. Ultimately, the crux of my point is that accurate record keeping is the most important thing, because in the unlikely event of an inquiry by HMRC into your Patent Box relief claim, we would like to be able to present the baseline financials in the cleanest and most efficient way possible to prevent unnecessary query and misunderstanding on the part of HMRC.